Hey guys, today we're gonna check out a brand new platform called Freecash. This app is offering free cash just for playing different games, testing apps, and doing simple surveys. That's why today we're gonna check out this website. I will show you what kind of games and apps you can actually test. And of course, I'll answer the most important question, how much you can actually make using this website. But before that, I have an extra bonus. If you plan to register for the freecash.com, I have a link in the description. And if you use my link, you're getting a bonus. It's a bonus from 1 cent up to $250. It's a random bonus. So use my link and of course, get your prizes. So first of all, let's jump into the website to learn more about what they're offering. So as I mentioned in the beginning, Freecash is offering you to get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys, and you can earn up to $7.20 per offer, and right now they have 222 offers available. Next up, we have some of the key statistics about this platform. So the average time until user makes its first cash out, and it's only 17 minutes 16 seconds. And what's really cool about this platform, they have really low withdrawal limits. I'll show you later. But if you have $1, you can actually cash it out to your wallet. Next up, the average money earned by users yesterday, and it's $33. I think this is really great, meaning the average player is making $33 a day. I think this is really huge for lots of different regions and countries. Even if you have a stable job, I think this could be a really great additional income. And lastly, we have almost $100 million totally earned by the Freecash users. So I think the numbers are really impressive. And now let's jump into the actual website to check out how it all looks from the inside. So once you sign up, you will see all of these offers pop up on your screen. It's also really important to know that some of these offers only available for some of the regions. That's why actually I recommend you to use VPNs, because I think US users and European users are getting more offers and these offers are paying more. So if you plan to use VPN, I have some links in the description for some reliable VPN services. We have options like games. So you can see right now we have 181 different games you can test and get money for it. And right here under the game, you can see how much money you can earn playing these games. All of these games will have different rules. So let's click some of these games and see what kind of rules they have. So for example, Brain Age is paying 6 cents. I think it's gonna be a simple task. So let's click. So all you need to do is just start the quiz, complete the quiz, and get results. And this is how you get 6 cents. It's really quick, really easy, and the money is in your wallet. Next up, let's check out some bigger ticket games. For example, Brain Factory is paying $21. So let's click and see what do we have to do. So some of these games have different tiers. So for example, for sign up, they pay you 20 cents. For example, if you reach some kind of level, you get 40 cents. So for this game, again, we have different tiers. So first of all, unlock Dessert Factory. This will give you 30 cents. Next up, unlock Large Dessert Complex. This will give you 42 cents. So you can see with this game, the more you play, the more money you're getting. And when you unlock new features inside the game, you're also getting paid. So all you need to do, just play this game and get paid. I think this is a dream for lots of people. Next up, we have different things like surveys. And actually, I like these because these are really simple money makers. So for example, this one is paying 68 cents. And all you need to do is just open the survey, answer the questions, and you're getting paid. It's that simple. Next up, let's check out what other people are making on this platform. And you can do it right here on the leaderboards. And let's check out the monthly leaders and see how much the actual real people are making. So for example, let's check out the #1 spot, Patahto, and how much is he making. So he totally earned $4,700 on this platform. And last 30 days, he earned $785. And I think this is really impressive number just for playing games, testing apps, and doing simple surveys. But let's check out other people from the top. So for example, this person, Valaska, I haven't checked them before. This one's private. So let's check out I am M-Boss. So this guy made almost $3,000 overall, and his earnings for the past 30 days is $811. And you can see this person is also from the United States. As I mentioned, it's really important what region you pick out once you sign up and what's your IP. That's why if you use VPN, you can actually create multiple accounts in different locations, for example, UK, US. And I'm also guessing these regions are getting more apps and more offers. For example, my region is Europe. So you can see what I'm getting in the European region. Next up, if you signed up using my link, you got your bonus, which is again random from 1 cent up to $250. But also you can use my code right here with the rewards, and you click bonus code. If you put in Nazza, you're getting additional bonus. So of course, guys, don't forget to use my link and also my code to get double bonuses. Now let's talk about the next important part, of course, cashing out. Why work if you cannot cash out? And this is again where this website is shining, because it's really easy to cash out. They have lots of different options. You can cash out using PayPal, you can cash out using Bitcoin, you can also cash out using different crypto chains like Ethereum, Dogecoin. You can also cash out using gift cards, and they have all the popular options. And if you're a gamer, you can even cash out using different games like Fortnite and Valorant. So I think they have amazing options. And also in the beginning, I mentioned that average user can withdraw in around 17 minutes because they have really low withdrawal limits. You can see crypto withdrawals start at 50 cents. So you can actually withdraw, I think, in minutes if you do one task. So not only it's really easy to make money, but also to withdraw this money to your personal wallet. So guys, this was a quick review about Freecash website. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will do an update showing you my progress, how much I'm making, and showing you different ways how to actually maximize earnings on this website. And also, if you want to chat with me or ask me questions, join my free Telegram or ask me questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe, see you next time.